Hello everyone, I am Karuna and I welcome you all to my channel. This video tutorial will take you through the steps to be followed while installing PyCharm on your Windows system. So first we are going to open browser and type PyCharm. We're going to click on the first link shown by the Google search, that is JetBrains. As you can see, I've already opened the website. The link to the website can be found in the description box. In this window, you will see two versions of PyCharm. Click on the professional version if you want to go for a paid licensed software with some premium features. Else you can go with the community edition, which is free of cost. So I'm going to click on the community edition, download. Wait for the download to complete. Okay, the download will take some time. Once the exe file is executed, click on it. Now here you will see a welcome screen for setup. Click on next and choose the location to install PyCharm. You can go with the default location given in the destination folder and then click on the next button. Here in this dialog box, you can choose the different installation options. First, I'm going to click on the checkbox to create a desktop shortcut. And the next is the checkbox for updating the path variables. Once it is done, click on the next button. After which you can choose the start menu folder. You can proceed with the default folder JetBrains and then click on install. Installation will take some time. In the end, you will see a dialog box to choose how you want to complete the installation process. You can select manual reboot later and then click on the finish button. Now that the installation is complete, you will see PyCharm shortcut on the desktop. When you double click on it for the first time, it will take you through various steps in order to make it ready for you to start writing programs. The first dialog box asks you to read the terms of user agreement and then click on continue button. Then it takes you to the data sharing dialog box. Click on don't send as you don't want to share your data. Finally, it is going to launch the community edition of PyCharm. Now let's begin by creating a new project. Window that you see here lets you rename your project. You can go with the default location. Also note, if you do not have Python installed on your PC, then you will see a download icon in the base interpreter field. But as I've already installed Python, you can see that it shows the Python version I have installed. Now click on create button and PyCharm will take care of creating the virtual environment and project setup. Now you can start working on your project. There are several different features available in PyCharm which you can explore, but let's see how we can run a basic Python script. As you can see, it comes with a sample code. Now in order to execute it, click on this green arrow button called the run button. The moment you click on it, the terminal window pops up and you can see the output of the code that just got executed. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any doubts related to the installation process of PyCharm, please feel free to mention in the comment section. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. Till then, keep working with smile.